In this video, we'll discuss how to choose the right brokerage and a few things to consider when doing so. And then at the end, I'll give my personal recommendations. So let's get started. So you've been doing a ton of research and you finally decide that it's time to start investing in the stock market. What now? Well, your first step is opening up a brokerage account. However, choosing a brokerage can be a little overwhelming at first. And if you don't know what a brokerage account is, it's a type of account that holds assets for an investor. You can think of it like a bank account with the option to invest your money into companies you love. So when it comes to choosing a brokerage, you will quickly find that there are a ton of options out there. But don't let that intimidate you. The truth is, when you're first getting started, it honestly doesn't matter which brokerage you choose because they all will give you the ability to buy and sell stocks. And you can always try out a brokerage at first, and if you don't like it, you can switch to another one. With that said, here are some things to consider when choosing a brokerage that can help you make a better informed decision. First, think about what your trading style is. Will you be a day trader, a swing trader, a long-term investor? Depending on your trading style, you might want a brokerage that offers more technical indicators, fundamental analysis, and other advanced features to help with your trading. Next, think about whether or not you're going to be using a desktop most of the time or a mobile device, or maybe both. Are you going to be trading on the go or only when you're at home? That's because some brokerages might have a better desktop platform to use, while other brokerages might have a better mobile version. And some may have the best of both worlds. Again, it comes down to your trading style and preference. Lastly, what's going to be your level of seriousness? Are you planning on taking this super serious and spending a lot of time analyzing stocks? Are you someone that's very analytical and going to want to deep dive into every aspect of trading, like doing technical analysis and advanced charting? If so, then finding a brokerage that offers some of those features up front might be beneficial so you don't have to go make a switch later down the road. On the other hand, if you're just looking to buy and hold stocks and be more of a long-term investor, then literally any brokerage will do. Now, when you're first getting started, you probably don't even know what your trading style is. And if that's the case, don't worry. You'll eventually find out what works for you, what you enjoy, what you don't. So you can just Google the best brokerages available and pick one of the top options, and then you can always change down the road if needed. With that said, the brokerage that I would recommend, and this is not a sponsor, but that's Webull. That's because their desktop platform is super easy to use and just looks super slick and modern in my opinion. They also have a very user-friendly mobile app, so you kind of get the best of both worlds and makes it really easy to trade when you're on the go. I also love their charts, and they have just about every technical indicator that you need. And the best part is they don't charge you for them, and they're constantly updating the platform and adding more tools. In my opinion, it's good for someone just starting or someone that's looking for more advanced trading as well. Webull pretty much does it all, and if you're opening up a cash account, which I would recommend over a margin account, then they're offering 4% APY on your uninvested cash. So you can essentially deposit money into the account, learn the platform, and be making money on your money before you even start trading. So I'll leave a link down in the description below if that's something you want to check out. I also have an account with Charles Schwab's Think or Swim, which is another powerful platform, but I do find their desktop version to be a little more complicated for beginners. However, their mobile app is awesome. I love their charts, so this is another recommendation as well. And I've used Robinhood for a while, but I never liked it as much as Webull. I will say, though, it is popular, and both their desktop version and their mobile app is very user-friendly. With that said, Webull, Robinhood, Moomoo is another one, and a few other brokerages all offer some type of APY when you open up a cash account. But the rates are always changing, so currently it's 4%, and that could go up or down depending on when you're watching this video. But again, I highly recommend opening up a cash account when you're first getting started, and it's just easy money to make while you're learning the ropes, getting started, and investing. I wouldn't think too hard about which brokerage to choose. They all will get the job done at first while you're learning your trading style and finding out what you like and what you don't like. And some of the ones that I've mentioned are the most popular and commonly used. That's all I have for this one. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.